Welcome back to Iqaluit. We last left off having landed from a little turn up to Pond Inlet on Canadian North's ATR 42. Today I'm catching their 737-300 over to Rankin Inlet and Yellowknife. But before that, I've got airside access here at Iqaluit, so let's take a little tour around and see what there is to see in Canadian North's Arctic hub. First order of business, an ATR 72 is being towed into the hangar for some maintenance. This is one of two ATR 72s that Canadian North has outfitted just for cargo. So plywood floors, they can fill this thing up with boxes, what have you, snowmobiles, and send it around the Arctic. Pretty cool to get inside one of these. Definitely a first for me. While I wait for the 737 to arrive and take me to Yellowknife today, we got a little bonus feature for you today because I managed to get a hold of one of these green visitor passes, much coveted. Wasn't sure whether I was going to get one. I've got one now. That means I have ramp access here at Iqaluit, and we're checking out some of the operation back here and trying not to get hit by a truck or an airplane. You're doing all the maintenance here, everything that an aircraft needs, or is there stuff that it has to go elsewhere for?
It goes to Ottawa for like heavy maintenance visits, so...
Okay, the seat check and whatever. Yeah.
It's more of a line maintenance base, so...
Without you guys, nothing happens.
Yeah, no planes fly, so...
Cool, thanks Adam.
Iqaluit has a population of just under 8,000 people, but even though it's not a huge place, it's also the primary hub for the wider region, meaning a lot of freight needs to pass through here. Hey, how's it going?
Great, good news, man. Kevin. Nice to meet you, man. This is beautiful, peaceful, it's nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's a lot of moving pieces over here for sure, like just everything.
In the afternoon, everything's coming in and out, or how's it?
Well, we have the big cargo jet aircraft that's coming in, and just on that we've got 19 flats that are coming through to just here, which is everything that's going to go through to town, people to collect all of their, all their belongings, some personal belongings, some equipment, some companies, all the fresh and frozen produce that's been ordered for, for this week. All of that rotates through here. Some of it, especially fresh and frozen, get everything like that out within 24 hours.
Yeah.
And then obviously personal effects, building equipment, beds, things like that. Sometimes takes a little bit longer, just depending on when people have time to come and pick up on their items. But yeah, it's a lot of moving pieces and a lot of cargo that comes through here. So to see it like this is nice. It's means the operation's running the way it should, right? People are coming in, picking up, dropping off or sending it up. So we have out that door there, we have a cooler and a freezer there. And just on the other side of this wall over here, we have another cooler and freezer. And again, that's just for this section, for the Tormont side. Across on the other hangar across their warehouse is another freezer and cooler, you know, for all of their items that go into that. There's 3 of us in total, permanent over here, and then we'll have another 2 like floaters, basically, as people that will come in to assist, you know, during the busy times, to come and help us move, unpack, do breakdowns, do build-ups. And then we have the 3 to 4 agents up in the front desk over there. They're the ones that communicate to everyone that their items and packages have physically arrived, tell them when to come and pick it up, make arrangements for the pickups, and then they also deal with everyone that comes to drop off you know, packages that need to go either down south or up island or anything like that.
Very cool.
Yeah. So no, it's a good team. Like overall, I want to say like staffing manpower, 8 to 9 people. You know, on a daily basis. You know, it's running it close and it's tight, but it's a good amount. You know, but yeah, we make it work.
Nice.
We make it work. Yeah.
Bit of a drizzle starting up here at Iqaluit Airport. I'm just in position now to try and catch some arrivals. So we got actually I don't know what the next thing coming in is because I have no service, so I can't pull up my trusty Flight Radar 24. But we've got a King Air about to depart, and then something on short final. I can see the light, and the 737 is just about 10 minutes out, I believe, on the other side of the bay right now. So we're gonna try and catch all that as it comes in from pretty close to the runway, so it should be cool. for joining me on this quick tour, and stay tuned next week for the classic 737 flights across Canada's wild north. In Iqaluit for Flight Radar 24, I'm Gabriel Lee.